tied up. Amateurs. Zach. What the? Yeah, I think we got rocked. I got tied up, but it was super easy.
Untie me first.
I already got loose. Oh, there we go. Okay. Oh, guns. Guns. We don't have any guns. Oh yeah. She's actually.
I have to go.
Okay.
Camping supplies, but we won't need those.
Not unless we move out.
We're
Pretty
not
good
gonna
this
be.
shell hasn't been fired off.
We're not gonna be needing those where we're going.
Alright. Wait a minute, do you hear that? I think that's somebody's coming up.
Go check. Grab the pistol.
Zach, you get this one.
Nighty-night. Got zombies on the left and right flank.
I got right, you got left.
Let's go.
Alright, well, it's the only shell.
Nine shells. Hey! Got you in my sights. Hello. Zach, we need to get inside.
We need to load up the guns.
Don't have any ammo.
Yeah, we do. I had more ammo when you were when you were making your rounds around the house.
Great.
So I have more ammo.
Okay. Paper, scissors to see who shoots first. Rock, paper, scissors. Come on, fair. Come on.
Alright, so.
You shoot first.
Okay.